Excuse me. Good morning, YouTube. Bossman Trucker here. Today it is Tuesday, October 22nd, 2019. Temperature of 57 degrees. Currently located in Hurricane, West Virginia. Here at the TA. Getting ready to make our way to Madison, Wisconsin. So let's get going. So yes, this is where I made it to last night. Everything went pretty well, not too bad. We loaded about 43,400 and some pounds of coffee creamer and stuff. I think it's coffee creamer and that cold coffee stuff. I don't know, some of y'all are a fan of that cold coffee. That's what we got on as well. This TA here is right after the turnoff on 35. The only truck stop you got around here to shut down, if you're going to shut down, is of course that Pilot there in Nitro, or the TA here. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, so this TA is right past that 35. All you do is keep on going straight. You'll be right back on 35. Yeah, they didn't overload me on the front or anything. Everything went fine. I cascaded it, and it says I had it on the 5th hole, and it said I was 33.6 on the drives, 31.9 on the, or I think it was 31.9 or something on the tandems. So I slid it back for the 2 holes. Yeah, 2 holes. I put it on the 3rd hole. Didn't have to, but yeah. For precautionary reasons for the fuel, you know. may make this video a little long today, so sit back and relax and enjoy the view. And maybe encounter some rain, so it was raining last night and a little bit this morning. I could have went. Got the stallion, you got this. So yeah, so yesterday I helped out that they didn't do any recording and everything. Those of you, thank you for supporting me on that. Sometimes it helps to do that to refresh your mind and refresh yourself. Plus, yesterday wouldn't be no good recording anyways. I mean, the time I took off from Whiteway was like at what, 6? I think it was 7. It's already dark. So it really didn't make that good for recording anyways. So it all worked out. They did take their time yesterday. I don't know what was going on. I mean, I was there, and then I felt them work on me for a little bit, and then they stopped. Then I saw them lift that floor thing. Put the green light, like it's like, okay, maybe Circus didn't order that much or something. An hour later or so, I guess they were going through a shift chain or whatever, you know. They put the ramp back down. I guess they weren't done. Yeah, they took their time on me. Dang, that Love's truck's coming from, I believe he's coming from Bidwell all the way here. Because I believe there ain't no Love's around here besides that one up here in Bidwell, Ohio. Kind of crazy though. And sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery. Thank you for watching and riding along. Tips are welcome. Tips are welcome. Boy. We do have our next pre-plan already. We pick up in Appleton at the Maricold there, Appleton, Wisconsin. Bound for Fort Worth, Texas, Maricold for Friday. So after I'm empty, I'm gonna hit deadhead to Appleton, pick up the next load, and start making our way down to Texas for Friday. Make our last trip to Texas, and then I guess we're picking up something there for Virginia or PA, and then we'll be making our way this way for last time, I think. So I guess we're dropping from Wisconsin to the house next week, from what it looks like. Yeah, I like this highway here. It's something about this highway, intrigues me. It's kind of pretty nice out here. Dips. Got a bear? Just a regular person. That's a regular person. Marvin, you okay? You okay, Marvin? Blasting zone. Oh boy. Ready to jump then. Not literally. uh, yeah, I'm having a good day so far. Not too crazy yet. So I guess it's gonna stop raining then. Good. Good to go now. Let's go, stallion. All right. There was a question asked to me. I think it was yesterday. Yeah, I think it was. What states do I prefer to drive in? And the other one was, have I been out west? What states I prefer to drive in? Prefer to drive in Florida. Like Florida, the Atlanta, the Georgias. Of course, Atlanta's in Georgia. The Georgias, the Alabamas, Mississippi's, Louisiana. Something about that route always intrigues me, you know. But I think once in a while we will be going through those states, except for Florida. But the other ones, yeah, we will be going out there going through there every now and then. And then, have I been out west? Yes, I have. I've been to New Mexico and Arizona and California. But by myself, I've been to Arizona. California was in my training days. That's about the only times I've been through that way. Yeah, according to the boss, because we were talking yesterday, because he sent me that Appleton one, and he has it for pickup for today. Yeah, that's right, today. Like, huh? Obviously, that's not going to pick up today. I guess he got a good deal out of it. Yeah. Usually America don't care that much when you pick it up. And that broker, they're pretty cool. Oh, what do you got? So, yeah, that's why we're picking it up tomorrow. It don't deliver till Friday, so. So we was talking about that, and also the saying that load should pick right back up next 2 months, I guess, if your president there, Trump, doesn't screw anything up. Yeah, the load board should pick right back up. Hope he doesn't screw anything up. That's when the loads will be hot, apparently. Paying good and everything. Yeah, he was also we was also conversating the upcoming schedule for as far as me staying out, because after that next home time, which is the 1st, and we take off on the 4th, we'll be back by Thanksgiving, and he's banking on having me back by the 20th, which is Thursday or Wednesday. Because he's thinking that if he has me, I asked him because otherwise I would have to be home by that Tuesday, 26th, but he's thinking that there are some places close earlier than the actual days of Thanksgiving, so that's why he's going to have me home by then, so that way it doesn't mess me up. Once we hop on that timing, or I am, or we are, I guess. Then we take off that week after Thanksgiving. Take off the week after Thanksgiving, then the next one after that will be Christmas, and it'll be about the same timing. Have me in the weekend before. And then I'll take off on that New Year's Eve week, I guess. He was wanting to stick back with our normal schedule of 2 weeks after this home time. Looking at it, see, because if he has me take off by the 4th to come back on the 15th, he's gonna have to figure out. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Because if he's starting to have me come back by the 20th, unless he has me do local stuff or something. So I think he mentioned something like that. So. Yeah, so he does like the thing we got going now. To me and him having me go out just 2 weeks at a time. He does like that. Seems to work a lot better for both of us and whatnot. So after the stay outs here, we're going to be going back to the original scheduling of being out 2 weeks. He likes that idea because, and I like it too, is because you're out one weekend or whatever, and then by the next weekend you're back doing your 34-hour reset. Because right now that I'm pulling the extras, it's causing me to run on recaps, and that usually feels like it's overworking you, you know what I mean? he doesn't want us to feel that way. And yeah, I do like that new home time schedule, the way we got it now. I mean, it's a lot better. I was thinking about switching it back up to like 3 weeks, but he said, I don't really need to. So there's no really need to. I'm like, okay then. But hopefully by then we'll be in the new truck. Hopefully. Oh, as far as that air leak, it's not that bad. I mean, well, it's contained. As long as you have that air-to-air system off, it won't leak. It's like a little tubing connection that's right beside the stack adjuster. Doesn't tie on the stack adjuster, it's right beside it. And I guess that TA might have cracked it or something. I noticed them and they had it off. I was wondering why they have it off. So I cut it back on. I think that's when I left the receiver yesterday over there in Manchester, and I noticed underneath that little green light indicator for the trailer, it's also another one that's for the air-to-air system. Like a clear white light. And that light stayed on. Normally it stays on for a few minutes or so to refill the tires, the air tanks, all that. Then it goes off. Then I kept seeing it stay on throughout when I got to Mount Crawford. And when I went back there to clean up some trash, I heard something leaking. I'm like, where in the heck is that coming from? Kept filling all the chambers, the airbags, nothing. Then I crawled back even further in, and I saw where that guy changed that stack adjuster, and then I saw that little tube in there that was like cracked. Like, yeah, that's where it's coming from. I did notify the boss he has to order that from the manufacturer of this trailer, which is Utility, and plus R74 is still under warranty because R74 is only about a year old, I believe, or less. It ain't that bad. I mean, as long as you have it contained, you're not using the air-to-air system, it won't leak out. Yes, like I say, he is a fan, you know, of doing that schedule we got, the 2 weeks out. Seems to work for both of us, and I'm glad we're on the same page on that, you know. So once again, for those of you that don't get my home time here at, we're timing out on the road here with ADL is 2 weeks at a time, and that's it. 2 weeks out and you're back home. Because technically that is ADL's home time. It's 2 weeks out, or you can choose to stay out. It's entirely up to you. And that's what I reckon the boys do. They stay out. Like John says, he doesn't have to stay out. He chooses to. Same thing with me. I don't have to stay out right now. I mean, I could have been home this week, I guess. But I chose to stay out. All these dips. Oh, the ones on this side is bad. The ones on the other side not too bad. Yeah. Oh, how far are we from Madison? Not too far. How are you? 587 miles out from here to Madison. So we'll be there later this evening. And we'll be there this evening. You got no choice. Yeah, because if you read that when John JV Travels, when he advertises about bringing someone into ADL, if you read that thing, it says earn more and drive less. He really goes by that. Meaning you're going to earn more and then you're going to be driving less. That's what boss here ADL really goes by. So there you go. Just like I seen on that live stream on JB Travels that day, it was the same person that put about my backing skills or whatever. And he also put down that I'm home every night doing a 34-hour or whatever, or something like that. I was like, really? If I was home every night, I'd be home by now. Yeah, that person don't know what he was talking about. Clearly not a smart person anyways. Like we fixing to come into Ohio. Come on, Ryder. You got this, Ryder. Welcome to Ohio, everybody. Welcome to Ohio. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I think I'm about to go around this guy. Let's go around. Never mind, it's gonna get back in front of me. Go, Stallion. Well, everybody, I think I'm about to let y'all go. Just wanted to give you an update. I'm okay today, and we're back at it with the videos and everything. After we get around this guy. See if we can get around this Volvo. I think we can. And then again, he's going to want to get in front of us. No, you stay right there. Yeah, I was going to answer y'all's comments today and everything, but I kind of forgot. I'll get it to later. Not in the morning. And I do answer them. It's just at times I get busy and don't give me time to answer any of them. Alright, my people, I guess we'll see y'all later. I'll probably see you up in Dayton, Ohio later today. So without further ado, thank you for watching, and see y'all later. Peace. I got this bridge here. Yeah. Get around this person, then I'll get y'all. Adios. Ha. All right, peace.